Spend the day with me feeling like a princess in the fall season. I'm so excited to share this video with you. Today I wanted to share some tips for how to feel like a beautiful princess in the fall. We're going to make a delicious drink, have some macaroons. We're going to bake some scones today. I'm going to decorate them. Then we're going to bed and have some sweet dreams about this magical day. The first thing that I love to do is to wake up in my beautiful shabby chic princess inspired bed. This is my nightstand. As soon as I wake up, I just love to have a nice and relaxing bath with some candles and a delicious cup of tea. I'm using my new bath bomb that I got from Lush. I think it's so pretty. I just love the little roses and it smells heavenly. I just love to treat myself to some bath bombs, especially on a cozy fall day. Wear a beautiful dress for the fall season. I'm wearing this beautiful dress from Shein. I think it's so pretty. I think it's the perfect little dress for the fall season. I just love the pink color. I'm so in love with this dress. It's so pretty. It has such a beautiful pink color. And I think it's the perfect little dress to wear for the fall. I love the puffy sleeves. It's such an adorable little dress and it's so flowy and pretty. It also has this beautiful lace trim underneath, which I really love. The perfect little dress for the fall season. I just love to decorate our home for the fall season. I got this beautiful pink pumpkin. I also have this adorable pumpkin candle that I found from TK Maxx. It's so adorable and it smells heavenly. I just love to light my favorite candle for the fall season and make our home smell like the fall. It truly smells so heavenly. So today we're going to make a delicious drink for the fall season. I've made a pink hot chocolate. And I added some faux milk, which is so delicious. I just love to treat myself to a nice hot drink, especially in the fall season. I just love how beautiful everything looks. I love to add some delicious marshmallows to my drink in pretty pink and white colors. I think it's the perfect little drink for the fall. I just love how pretty it looks. I just love to treat myself to some delicious macaroons. I have some delicious macaroons from my favorite little shop. I got a pink one, which tastes like rose water. I got this one, which tastes like chocolate, and a green one, which is the pistache one. So these are my favorite macaroons. I just love to treat myself to some delicious macaroons, and I love all the pretty pastel colors. So today we're going to bake some delicious scones for the fall season. I have these adorable cookie cutters from the range. So I have some dough for our scones. Then I just roll it out. Now I'm going to cut the most adorable scones in pretty fall shapes. I love this pumpkin one, it's so pretty. I just love to bake some scones on a cozy fall day. I also got this little fall leaf. I just love to make as many scones as I can using this dough. I just love to bake some scones to make our home smell heavenly, and they are the perfect little treat for the fall season. I have a little pine cone, which is so adorable. Now I'm going to put the scones in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. I just love how they turned out already. When they're all done, I'm going to take the scones out of the oven. This is how they turn out. They look so adorable and they smell heavenly. Such a lovely treat for the fall season. My little pumpkin, my little candle. I just love to do some baking, especially in the fall. So now we're going to decorate the scones with some pink icing. I just love to decorate them. It's such a lovely little treat, and I think they look so pretty in pink. So I have some pink icing, and I'm just going to add all the icing to the scones. I just love to decorate the scones with some pink icing. Such a lovely treat. It tasted heavenly, the scones with the icing. I also had some green, so I added some green as well. So yeah, now I'm going to decorate these scones. I have this little maple leaf, and I added some pink icing. I just love how pretty it looks with the pink icing. I also have this little pine cone, which I will decorate with some pink icing. I also had some green icing, which I use for the little stems. So pretty. I also have a little pumpkin. I just love to have some delicious scones for the fall season, and I love how they turn out. This is how they turn out. They look so pretty. My pink pumpkins. I just love this little candle, it's so pretty. These are some scones that we've made today. I love all the shapes of the fall. So yeah, I just love to treat myself with some delicious scones on a cozy fall day. So now I'm going to bed. This is my nightstand. I have this beautiful little book that I love to read in. My little trinket box and my music box, which is so pretty. So yeah, now I'm going to bed and have some sweet dreams about this magical day. So this was my video for how to spend the day feeling like a princess in the fall season. I truly hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye.